Since we're a smaller team, we're able to work really closely with engineers, project managers, and it's very helpful in the overall process of everything. We all have a really good working relationship, and it ends up being a learning experience kind of for everyone. Since we have the engineers here on site, if we have any issues, questions, we have the ability to just go talk to them, bring them over. They can walk through what the problems are with us. Our technicians usually learn something, during that process every day. We have a central database that has all of the information for all of the products that we build and ship here. Everything from assembly drawings to test imaging procedures, all the way down to packing and what goes in the boxes and what the labels are supposed to look like. Being a small company, right, we have access pretty much to everyone in the company. So any issues that we have, everybody that we need is at our access daily. If we run into an issue in production that's going to hold something up, we can literally walk across the building and get somebody to come and help figure that out, and we don't ever have like a stop on shipping anything.